Welcome to Scrap Time. My name is Christine, and in this video we're at Creativation 2019, and for all you Disney fans, I'm going to put some fun Disney products into the one video. And we're starting at Echo Park, and this is the Magical Adventure Collection, and it is total Disney from the colors to the magic, the castles. We have over here fireworks and the mini dots, the castle, some little word phrases. Now they don't just have paper, we have dies here, When You Wish Upon a Star. We have some fabulous stamp sets. And then there's even stencils, embossing folders, and then of course your embellishments. Do you believe in magic? Mouse and Me, Wish Upon a Star, lots of great things. So this is our start of our Disney adventure through Creativation. So another Echo Park collection, it isn't completely Disney, it's called Mermaid Dreams. However, when you're looking at pieces, you think, you know, this could be Ariel. So if you're looking for some little reminiscent, maybe you had your little princess dressed up as Ariel or meeting Ariel, you could use some of these other collections as well to add into your Disney memory keeping. From mermaids, we go to pirates. Again, at Echo Park, they have a whole pirate collection. Now, of course, pirates aren't just Disney, but it is a part of Disney. So if you had your little guy go and get all dressed up as a pirate, or your little girl, our daughter did it, and you wanted to memory keep that, scrapbook that, here's some great collection to add to your pirate pages. Lost in Neverland from Echo Park, it was one of my favorite collections, and this is complete Peter Pan, Captain Hook, Wendy, even Off to Neverland. Here we have the kids, have the little scene there. It's a blue Tinkerbell, but you know, you get it. The crocodile, I guess, yeah, no, it's a cross between Wendy and Tink. They have the cardstock that goes with it. Here we have the Little Mermaid scene. There's the dies, so even though they did it blue here, of course you could always cut her out in green. The words, You Can Fly, Faith, Trust, and Pixie Dust. Cute little stamp set. I really like that silhouette shadow one. They have decorative tapes, little embellishments, and a couple stencils. Simple Stories has been doing Disney collections for a while now, and this is their Say Cheese 4 collection. So there's already 3, but they continue with the same traditional Disney colors with a lot of the little elements throughout the papers and the embellishments. They've got different, down here we have tapes, puffy stickers, ephemera. And then they have some stamp sets too. I like this one. If you go to Disney to eat, it's like I'm here for the treats and pretzels and the little turkey drumsticks, the little Disney balloon popcorn. And then this one has castles and tickets and Say Cheese. They also have some stencils and some dies. So there's a lot of fun little elements here that you could add to your Disney memory keeping. Geeky Success has come out with Disney stuff. They've been doing Disney stuff for years as well. But they have these really big squishy stickers and a bunch of the different characters and that. What's fun is they have some different punches with the Mickey head, a border punch with Mickey, a big one, and then a single one. You can see down here some projects they made using them. They have a 12 by 12 album, and I think it's probably an 8 by 8 album. Oh, this is just, let's just actually look. I think it's actually a finished album or something. Oh, it's just a photo album. So you just put your photos in there and make notes on the side. Then some little crystallized images and some paper pads. And then on this side, again, more just little stickers and alphabet of some of the characters and images that you'd find at Disney. Chamel always does a nod to Disney in her collection. So in Sparkle City, she has these papers. We have fireworks, some teacups, umbrellas for Mary Poppins, candy floss, and then the Cheshire Cat washi tape. If you're even looking for some more Disney stamps, I found some at this company, the Ink Road stamps. And you have the little Mickey ears, mini ears. You could stamp those, make some backgrounds. And then you have like a list of the princesses and some little words. A dream is a wish your heart makes from Lion King. Some little fun thing. Always let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. And our final stop on our Disney product tour is at Sizzix for the Tim Holtz Atomic Element set. And you might be thinking, this isn't really Disney, but if you've ever been to the Primetime 50s Cafe at Hollywood Studios, these elements are all over the cafe, and so as soon as I saw it, I thought Disney. So this is a way where you can sort of sneak a little Disney in, but if people didn't really know, no one would think this was a Disney product. But if you are a fan of the Primetime Cafe and you've ever eaten there and been told eat your veggies or got put in the corner for putting your elbows on the table, you know what I'm talking about, then this is another fun set to add to your journaling. So I hope you enjoyed our tour of our Disney products.